GoPAK tools really any good? Hi everybody, I'm Bassocantor. Stay tuned, let's find out.
Here's a look at all 4 items in the kit. There's a drill, a sander, a light, and of course the GoPAK battery. Taking a detailed look at the battery that you see here, what's interesting about this is that you charge it via a USB connector, and it also has a USB power out port as well. When you plug in the USB charging cable, you get up to 4 lights, and as you can see here, the battery is fully charged. I actually did not think the drill would be able to handle these screws in the fence posts, and I gave it a couple tests, and definitely the drill is the best part of this kit. It worked well. Changing the chuck torque setting was surprisingly difficult. Similar to other Black & Decker battery packs, this one snaps in perhaps a little different fashion, but not too tough. The light, unfortunately, is nothing special. It's very lightweight and not particularly bright. However, it does toggle up and down a little bit. The sander works surprisingly well. It comes with a few pieces of triangular sanding paper, and it actually just taps in and holds in on velcro just like this. What in the world happened here? The part of the tool that holds the velcro actually just separated from the tool, and I guess I'll just have to glue it back in. I'm not sure what was holding it in.
So overall, I thought these tools were a pretty good deal. Remember, however, they're only 12 volt, so they're great for lightweight jobs, but not appropriate for heavy-duty jobs. In Dublin, California, I'm Bassocantor. Thanks for watching, everybody.